like a valve like this one here. If it has released, and then when it's closing, when does it close? At 200, or so obviously as pressure is being, as media is being released, gas or whatever it is, it then the pressure reduces in the system again, and then when does it close again? At 180 or at 200?
It has to be latest from the regulation. It has to be latest at 180 bar. So not later than 180 bar.
Okay, but
it is possible that it will close maybe at 195 or 190, but it has to latest at 180 bar. I can show you also on the diagram.
Yes.
So if you say this is the set pressure of 200 bar,
yes.
So this has to be the point of 180 bar where the valve has to be closed already.
All right. Okay.
And, yeah, in that case. So, yeah, and this is all to fulfill from the complete diagram. So for each valve, we have to do that for each pressure and also certify that.
And when the valve has closed now, would it, does it need to be reset or anything? Or some maintenance guy need to go and say, okay, hey, take it out or close something again? Or is it just good to go again? Like a valve like this one here. If it has released,
it is, of course, it can open and close several times. But of course, if that case happens in a plant, that a pressure relief valve starts to open, then something occurred in the plant which is not normal to this normal operation of the plant. So somebody has to take care what happens in this plant. There's something which is wrong, maybe a regulator before the pressure relief valve is damaged or something. So somebody has to look to that. And also, of course, you have a look to the pressure relief valve. It works safe again. Of course, it can open and close several times and it runs.
So for the valve, it's totally fine. Can happen as many times and it will just continue working. And tell me, when it opens, does it tell this to anyone? I mean, as an operator of a system, do I even know that the pressure release valve has gone? I mean, I have maybe gas detectors in the room or something.
Yeah, but normally, of course, you connect, if you have hydrogen or another hazardous gas, then you will connect a pipeline to the outlet, and you will bring the gas to a safe system or another closed system.
You would have some outlet.
Exactly. And of course, you have the possibility to put a level indicator on the valve, so that so you will put it on the top here on the valve, that you have the possibility to see in your controlling room if the valve opens and closes again. So this is possible. So electric limit switch, that is what we install on the top.
Okay. So that can get that.